Yes, ang 3D kasi, just to explain, no, kasi marami nagtatanong, 5D agad, walang 3D, walang 4D. Ang 3D kasi is building your own image. Technically, ito yung imposter syndrome phase natin. Hindi natin kilala kung ano tayo, kung sino tayo, yung true self natin. So, we try to build an image that is influenced by society. Mayaman, may kotse, may pamilya, may bahay,
May
ilang
trabaho.
bahay, di ba? That's how you build your 3D image. Hinahabol mo yung career mo, hinahabol mo yung financial mo. 4D is the beginning of realizing na hindi lang ito ang meron tayo. Meron pang kabilang side, meron tayong true self na kailangan mo ring palaguin. So, yung mga taong nasa 4D, mga taong nag-iisip na yan ng spiritual journey nila. What is beyond going to church? What is beyond praying? What is my role in this life? Ginagampanan ko ba? So you start to look inside yourself kung ano yung personality na nag-aantay lumabas para makapag-serve ka sa humanity. That's 4D.
Okay.
Now we are at the dawn, just like sabi ni Sir Wilson, of the golden age, where 5D, we are now coming back to the source. Oneness, unity ng lahat. Understanding na hindi tayo individuals na walang relasyon sa isa't isa. Lahat tayo connected sa isa't isa. At hindi lang sa tao, pati rin sa mga animals.
Talaga? Kasama rin sila?
Yes.
And all other beings na sa paligid natin, din natin nakikita.
Yes po.
Like yung mga spiritual beings sa forest, mga entities, yan, mga elementals.
Elementals too, yes.
So carry natin sila lahat.
Yes.
Sa fifth dimension.
Oo, we are all together in this. Hindi tayo separate from them. That is the 5D consciousness.
Ayan.
May gusto kong i-add.
Yes, Sir Wilson,
I'm
please.
sure narinig natin na ang word na I am. That I am.
I am Ray.
Yes. Ang totoong ibig sabihin na yon, I am that I am. Lahat po nakikita natin, lahat na nafe-feel natin sa paligid natin ay tayo rin po yon, image. So, ang ibig sabihin dyan, mahalin natin lahat ng nakikita natin, nafe-feel natin, everything, because that is a reflection of ourselves.
Yes. Totoo yan. Yeah,
so,
actually.
whether plant kingdom, stone,
so walang separation.
Walang separation.
We are connected with one another.
Yes po. Yun ang call ng Gaia right now is to be one with nature. No, one with Mother Earth. To take care of Mother Earth. Yun.
All right.